Alright, car shoppers, welcome back to Lexus of Wilmington. Just added in our inventory is this 2015 Lexus LS460L. This is the long one. It's black on black, power bucket seats. It's got front heated and cooled seats. It's got rear power shades, rear power seats. It's got Mark Levinson audio, CD, rear view camera, navigation, wood and leather steering, 80,000 miles. Here goes your sunroof. Lexus wheels. Ton of room, and I mean ton of room back there in the second row seat because it is the extended one. Power trunk opener and closer. It's all-wheel drive, and it's right here at Lexus of Wilmington. Looking for more information on this 15 LS460L or any of the other almost 100 vehicles in our pre-owned inventory and our 90,000 square foot pre-owned showroom. That's right. When you're here to Lexus of Wilmington, you do your car shopping indoors to avoid the elements of the weather. Stay warm, stay cool, stay dry when you car shop inside at Lexus of Wilmington. Go to lexusofwilmington.com for more information.